To those seeking mathematical truth, let's take a look at an interesting statement here. The statement is that for any positive whole number n is greater than 0.48 times n times the log of n, where the log is a base 10 log. Is this statement true or false? It certainly seems to be true if you plug in numbers and test it, even if you plug in some pretty big numbers. In fact, it's true for the first Googol whole numbers. It doesn't become false until you reach a number approximately around 10 to the power of 121. And then once it does become false, it stays false for every number larger than that. It's a pretty good instance of the idea that even a huge pile of evidence is insufficient to constitute solid proof, and one of the reasons why we do mathematics in the first place. Now, how do we mathematically show this claim that was just made? It's helpful to know that the log function grows very slowly but still diverges, and the log of the log function grows even more slowly. So the function y equals 0.48 times n times the log of n will eventually cross the function y equals n, but not anytime soon. We can do some algebra to see where they cross. They cross at the point where they're equal. So set them equal first. Then divide both sides by 0.48 n. Now we raise both sides to the power of 10. And we raise both sides to the power of 10 again. And this very large value sets n equal to approximately 10 to the power of 121, which is over 120 zeros, and a Googol has just 100 zeros. Both have derivatives that are never negative, so they cross only at this point. All of these arguments show that the original statement, while appearing to be always true initially, is only true for the first Googol numbers, and for quite a few numbers after that. But eventually, with larger and larger numbers, it becomes false and stays false. So it shows that mathematically, even a Googol may not be enough, at least as far as inductive evidence goes. So even if you study mathematics for a Googol number of minutes, it might not be enough. Math is hard. It might destroy you if you don't put in a lot of time. But if you really want it, and want to be good at it, then don't ever quit. It's hard, but you can do it if you try hard. Work in secret. Be a genius. They will call you crazy. Do it anyway. Even if you're 80 years old and you can't do subtraction yet, start today. Rest when you need to, but don't waste another minute.